Hi guys, it's reaction time. It's the band Air Raid and the song Thunderblood. This came out, it's coming off the album, Fatal Encounter, on February the 24th. I came across this one because it's on the New Wave of Traditional Heavy Metal channel. I think they aired it yesterday. And man, that channel is just absolutely fantastic. It's absolutely brilliant. I love it, and I find so much good music because of it. So I clicked on the video, listened to the opening riff, and thought, yes, that's going to be a reaction because the opening riff impressed me that much. So don't know a lot about these guys, really. It looks like, looking at the comments below the video, they've had albums out before. So not a brand new band, but never heard of them before. But Air Raid, Thunderblood. Here we go. Without further ado, here we go. Oh, fucking brilliant, man. I love it. What an opening riff. Really gives me Dokken feels. Back for the Attack era Dokken feels for sure. Man, what a great song. Thunderous, just like the lyrics are saying. Just driving rhythms. Everything you want from a sort of melodic, hard rock bordering on metal track. Loved it. I don't know if the vocalist is someone I already know, but he sounds so familiar. And I was looking round because I'm sure it's the vocalist, unless I'm mistaken, and he sounds similar. Oh my God, my albums are going to go. This band here, Osakuru, he sounds like the vocalist. Look at that, signed, by the way, signed album. He really does sound like the vocalist in this band. And I don't know if it is. But I don't know. He sounds similar. He really does. Osakuru, a great band, but more sort of, I suppose, well, they're starting to get more like this sort of music, but they are AOR band as well, more AOR heavy rock. But I mean, this is a bit more metal, I suppose you would say. But no, loving this. Absolutely loving it. He does sound like him though. Maybe it is. Perhaps he's singing in two bands. But what a great driving, brilliant metal riff going over that. And yeah, it really does sound, is it Kiss of Death? It really gives me them Kiss of Death off the Dokken album, Back for the Attack vibes. It really does, and especially in that first verse. The vocals as well, the way he dropped down into sort of that Don Dokken sort of soulful sort of side. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Love the pacing of it. It sounds like an opening track for sure. Man, got to find out more about this. February the 24th though, the album's out. Fatal Encounter it's called. It's coming out on High Roller Records. Really looking forward to the solo. Are we going to get some George Lynch-esque solo in as well? Here we go to hear the rest. Brilliant. Fucking solo, man. I said, is it going to be George Lynch-esque? It definitely fucking was. Because almost that style where gaps left, not just full-blown going for it, but really intelligent songwriting as far as solos are concerned. Gaps, different types, little twin lead bit there. You know what I mean? Giving you everything you need from a solo and real variety within that solo. Quite a long solo as well. Absolutely loved it. The pacing of that song was amazing. The energy that was kept up all the way through. It's fucking absolutely fantastic. Amazing job by these guys. I've got to know though, I'm going to look as soon as this video's over, is it the singer from Osakaru? I'm hoping he's still in this band though, if it is, because I think they're due out some music this year and they're a great band as well. So what do you think, guys? That was the band Air Raid. That was called Thunderblood. What an amazing track, eh? Let me know in the comments below and I'll see you soon.